How bonjour, Akina Awiya. Welcome back to Ojibwe Language Table with Wes Jourdain. This lesson we're on is lesson number 13, Anin Ejiwebuk Agwajing, part 3. And when I say part 3, we're doing additional weather words that are added on from last lesson number 11's words. So lesson number 11, we did started off with 5 weather words, and then lesson number 12, we negated those words, and so lesson number 13, now we're adding 5 more words to our vocabulary. So we'll just get started. Bonjour, Kinawia. Wes Jourdain Indigenous Giddaga Benesi Indigo Megizi Nindudem Musquagamiwi Zagai Gunning Nindun Jaba Ga Asanitsa Cognenda. So that's our self intro. We try to do that every lesson just to get used to it. And so we have review Anin Ejiwebak Agwajing A Nin E Je We Buk Agwa Jing. Anine Jawebuk Agwa Jing. How's the weather outside? There's our word anin, comes from the word Ejiwebuk, comes from the word Ejawebud. And then we have our letter changes on there when we talk about how or when we question. So Agwa Jing outside. Here's our new list of 5 words. We're adding 5 words to our vocabulary. An answer to that can be gisena. 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 Okay, and this guy is standing outside. Abawa. 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 Imagine being in this picture here. Aninijwe bakagwajing. Gijate. 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 And imagine yourself in this picture. That is Gijate. Aninijwe bakagwajing. A 1. A 1. A 1. And then you see in this picture, all of this stuff here that you see in this picture, a 1. Anin Ejiwebuk Agwajing. Ni skadad. Ni skadad. Ni skadad. Okay, so those are our 5 new weather words this lesson. Again, when we talk about the weather, you say those words just by itself. Gisena, abawa, gijate, awan, ni skadad. Those are 1-word sentences in Ojibwe, and so it comes out as, for example, that first one, gisena. It is cold, period. So that's already a sentence. Okay, those are it is words. It is, so a 1. A 1. You can just say a 1. It is foggy, period. And it's that 1 word is just a sentence. So talking about present tense, ani nejiwebak agwajing nungam. Remember our word for present tense, nungam, now or today. Past tense, anin ga ijiwebak agwajing bijinago. Okay, bijinago, past tense, yesterday, before, yep. Future tense, anin wa ijiwebak agwajing wabang. Wabang is future tense, tomorrow. Okay, so we're gonna start out with our words here. Don't mind this negated word up here. I forgot to take that out. How's the weather outside today? And this is your response. You can answer by saying, Gisana agwajing noongam. It is cold outside today. Okay, not necessarily good cold. I forgot to take that out too. But gisana agwajing nungam, it is cold outside today. Abawa agwajing nungam. Abawa agwajing nungam. It is warm outside today. Gijate agwajing nungam. Gijate agwajing nungam. It is hot outside today. Awan agwajing nungam. Awan agwajing nungam. It is foggy outside today. Ni skadad agwajing nungam. Ni skadad agwajing nungam. It is bad weather outside today. So those are our present tense answers to anin ejiwebak agwajing nungam. Okay. Carrying on here, we have anin ga ejiwebak agwajing bejinago. How was the weather outside yesterday? And so using our new words in lesson 13 here, we have, notice we have our tense marker here, our tense word gi. Notice we have consonant vowel change, G to K. And then we're using bijinago, okay? Gi kisana agwajing bijinago. Gi kisana agwajing bijinago. Okay, past tense, gi. Gisana, changed, consonant change to K. Gi kisana. Again, outside, agwajing bijinago. It was cold outside yesterday. Okay, moving along. Gi abawa agwajing bijinago. Gi abawa agwajing bijinago. It was warm outside yesterday. Gi kijate agwajing bijinago. Gi kijate agwajing bijinago. It was hot outside yesterday. And notice we have consonant vowel change G to K from gijate to kijate. Similar, close. If you say it fast enough, they both sound the same. Gi kijate agwajing bijinago. It was hot outside yesterday. Gi awan agwajing bijinago. Gi awan agwajing bijinago. It was foggy outside yesterday. And our last one, gi niskadad agwajing bijinago. Gi niskadad agwajing bijinago. It was bad weather outside yesterday. So that's our past tense. And our last tense marker we have here is wa, meaning future tense. Anin wa ijiwebak agwajing wabang. So behind here it says wabang with a question mark. Anin wa ijiwebak agwajing wabang. How will the weather be outside tomorrow? Your answer can be we kisina agwajing wabang. And here it is again. Any past tense or future tense, we always do consonant vowel change on certain words. Well, there's certain words that you don't because of the soft sound of some of the letters. But in this case, we would do we kisina agwajing wabang. It will be cold outside tomorrow. And we say these only, see, we don't know. We don't know if it's going to be. Some people do, some people don't. And it's kind of like a prediction, if you will. We kisina agwajing wabang. It will be cold outside tomorrow. We don't know that for a fact. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. And I think the last lesson 12, I think 11, I think maybe we used gonna budge. Okay, you can use gonna budge in here at the beginning of these words. So in front of this word here, we would say gonna budge we kisina agwajing wabang. Gonna budge we kisina agwajing wabang. Perhaps it will be cold outside tomorrow. Okay, so I should have added gonna budge like I did the other one. But that's fine. We can just throw it in here and get it stuck in our head. Gonna budge we abawa agwajing wabang. We abawa Agwajing wabang ganabudge. So I think ganabudge can either go at the front or at the end. But to me right now, it sounds like it can go at the beginning. It would fit better in the beginning. I'll have to double check on that. But I'm pretty sure you can use ganabudge. We abawa agwajing wabang. Okay, perhaps it will be warm outside tomorrow. Okay, moving along. We kijate agwajing wabang. Ganabudge we kijate agwajing wabang. Perhaps it will be hot outside tomorrow. Okay, ganabudge one agwajing wabang. Ganabudge we a one agwajing wabang. Perhaps it will be foggy outside tomorrow. Or if you know, and you're 100% sure, we a one agwajing wabang. It will be. It will be foggy tomorrow. That's if you're a psychic. But just wanted to throw that in there. Ganabudge we ni skadad agwajing wabang. Ganabudge we ni skadad agwajing wabang. Perhaps it will be bad weather outside tomorrow. And again, you don't necessarily need to say agwajing, because all the weather happens outside, so it's already built into our language that we don't have to express where this weather is happening. It's already happening outside. So, for example, adding ganabudge and then taking out agwajing, it would sound like ganabudge we kisana wabang. Or I'll just go right down the list and do it again. Ganabudge we abawa wabang. Ganabudge we kijate wabang. Ganabudge we a one wabang. Ganabudge we ni skadad wabang. So you can leave agwajing out if you would like to. Agwajing just gives the location of where it's happening. Agwajing outside. As we know, weather doesn't happen inside anywhere. So with that, my friends, ninjiwamag, migwich bizindawieg, minawa migwich ki kanawaban damig. Thank yous for listening and thank yous for watching. Gikawaba minanim minawa. I will see yous again sometime at some point whenever we cross paths. I will see yous again. Gigawaba min minawa. Gigawaba min nim minawa.